Buju, Kinamagianini, Ireland, Indigenous, broadcasting live from the front yard with today's support coach lesson. Today's topic, the road not taken, and by the Arno, second read answers. Before continuing any further, I would like to remind you that this video is intended to give you feedback on your answers to the second read. If you have not yet filled out that portion of the content, whether it be on the worksheet or in the Google Classroom, please do that before continuing to watch this video. If you have already completed it, well, let's keep going. So we're looking at the green questions today in the second read, which is a focus on the parts of the poems and how they build on one another. You'll notice that on the worksheet, the pages will, and on the Google Classroom, the pages will be listed on the problem. So on our second read, page 32, the second stanza builds on the first by. So we want to look at the stanzas right here. How does this one build on this one? The answer given in the book includes moving the story along by telling that the person in the poem is taking the second path. If your answer was somewhere similar to that, you have come up with the same interpretation as the book. If your answer is somewhat different, please see me. It may still be a good answer, but this is the answer from the book. We'll move along to page 33. And on 33, the green box question is, how does the setting change in each stanza? So the setting in the first stanza is a wall in the city. See the oleander on the wall, that kind of gives us the hint. And on the second stanza, it is on a hill. So we go from a wall to a hill. So that's how the setting is changed. Question number 3 will bring us to page 34. And our green box on 34 is, what idea about love do these stanzas work together to develop? The answer, according to the textbook material, is that love is happy at night, but is afraid of the dawn because it, like the night, will die and disappear. Pretty deep stuff. You may have your own interpretations that I am more than happy to look at. The whole point of these exercises is to develop our skills, and it's okay if we don't necessarily always see exactly the same thing. Well, this concludes the second read answers. You may now return to the Google Classroom for any further instruction. Bama P.